Hey y'all, I'm in the garden today and I'm going to be working on my fall garden. I'm doing this video in a collaboration with Mayfield Ranch. I will put her link in the description as well as in the comments below, so be sure and go check out her channel. I haven't really decided what I'm going to be planting other than some spinach and some squash. I do already have some pumpkins started. And I'm gonna probably throw a couple more things in there last minute, but right now I just need to get the beds ready because I'm moving them from the backyard area to the front because Tommy's gonna need to build a deck out here. So let's get started on working on our fall garden. So the first thing I'm going to do to get ready for my fall gardens is to clean out my chicken coop because I'm going to be putting all of this in my beds, my raised beds, and probably some in my buckets too. So let me get this done. Alright, now I've got all of this out of the chicken coop and I'm going to go put this in my raised beds. There's one of the raised beds. I have burlap in the bottom. I didn't have any cardboard, so we're going to make do with what we have. And now it's ready for compost and soil. I'm going to go do the other one exactly the same way. It's now time to pull out all of these cucumber vines and move this bed over to the front. You can see these are done for the year. I do still have sweet potatoes and more sweet potatoes growing over here. The tomatoes I'm pretty much just letting the hornworms have. And the okra just continues to grow. These are the pumpkins I planted in the pool. Hopefully these will continue to do okay. I might throw some more seeds in there though. Alright, all the cucumber vines are now in the compost bin and I'm going to get the wood planter moved. Now that it's moved, I need to lay some cardboard in the bottom to kill all of this grass. I didn't pick up enough cardboard, so I'll be picking some more up tomorrow before I move on, because I know how bad the grass will get if I do not finish this section here with a cardboard. Alright, I've got soil in this one. The other one's going to have to wait while I find more cardboard. So we're at least going to get this one planted up today. I'm going to water it real good before I plant it. So let me water this and I will be back. While I'm watering that, I'm going to go ahead and put a few more pumpkins in here just to make sure, because I don't know if these are going to survive. Just a backup plan. Can never have too many pumpkins anyway, so can always give them away if I need to. Ooh, that one was broken. Let's put a different one in here. Alright, we've added more pumpkins. Let's go back over to that other bed. In this bed, I'm going to be planting some carrots. So I'm just going to draw a line down here and drop them in. planting them about an inch apart, and I will thin them out later. Alright, do one more row. I went to Lowe's this evening after work to try to get some seeds, and believe it or not, they didn't have a single seed. I asked the girl, I was like, y'all don't have any seeds? And she said, nope, we're completely sold out. So, I have to use what I've got. I should have ordered some. Alright, there's the carrots. I'll go ahead and write up my tags. And move on to the next one. Keep in mind, I am in zone 9B, and we have a longer growing season than a lot of you will have. Our first frost date won't be until November, December. Do my tag. Germination, 80 to 109 days to harvesting. Spacing 18" to 3. Anyway. Gonna dump some seeds in here. Can thin them out later. I have 2 rows of these. Alright, that's good enough for the onions. Hopefully my chickens don't get in here tomorrow, and dig them up. They've been known to do that. And the last rows are all going to be spinach. This one says 40 to 48 days to harvest. We've got plenty of time for that before we have our first frost. Let's see, the spacing on this one doesn't say. Yeah, 1.5 to 2 inches apart. So we're just gonna drop some of these in these rows. If you're curious, this is a Bloomsdale long-standing organic spinach. What we don't eat fresh, I will be canning. I like canned spinach even if Tommy doesn't. Could I skip some? I skipped a couple areas. Alright, let's cover these up. If you're having a hard time finding seeds in your area, let me know. I want to hear what other people's experiences are. Yes, I know you can order them online. That's not the point. Do my tag. There we go. Alright, so I've got carrots, onions, and all the rest of this is spinach. And I'll finish that other raised bed over there next week. Alright, well it's about 98 degrees out here. I need to go put up my chickens back here. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure and check out the Mayfield Ranch YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.